Hello everyone. Welcome to Liberty Lines Art English Studio. This is our YouTube channel. On this channel, we learn English. We learn English slowly. We learn English clearly. We learn English with simple words. This podcast is for beginners. This podcast is for you.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone.
My name is Anna. I am a doctor. I help people feel better. I also help people learn English.
My name is Mark. I am a patient. I am here to learn. I am here to feel better.
Today, we have a long and friendly talk. We talk slowly. We use easy English. We repeat words. You can listen. You can speak with us.
Today, I feel a little sick.
That is okay, Mark. Many people feel a little sick. Today, we learn how to talk about light sickness. We learn how to say symptoms. We learn how to buy medicine with no prescription. We also learn how to stay healthy. Let us start. Please relax. Please listen. Hello, Mark. How are you today?
Hello, Anna. I am not very well.
That is okay. Please tell me more. How do you feel?
I feel tired. I feel weak.
You feel tired. You feel tired. Okay. Do you have pain?
Yes. I have a headache.
A headache. Headache. Headache means pain in the head. Let us practice. Please say, I have a headache. Pause. Say it now.
I have a headache.
Good. Very good. Do you have a runny nose?
Yes. I have a runny nose.
Runny nose. Runny nose. The nose has water. Let us practice again. Say, I have a runny nose. Pause.
I have a runny nose.
Good job. Mark, do you sneeze?
Yes, I sneeze a lot.
Sneeze. Sneeze. Achoo. Let us practice. Say, I sneeze.
I sneeze.
Good. Do you cough?
Yes, I cough a little.
Cough. Cough. Say, I cough.
I cough.
Very good. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, my throat hurts.
Sore throat. Sore throat. Pain in the throat. Practice time. Say, I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
Excellent. When you talk to a pharmacist, speak slowly. Use simple words. You can say, hello, I feel sick.
Hello. I feel sick.
Good. You can say, I have a headache.
I have a headache.
You can say, I have a runny nose.
I have a runny nose.
You can say, I cough.
I cough.
Very nice. Do not worry. Simple words are okay. Mark, do you want medicine?
Yes, I want medicine.
You can buy medicine at a pharmacy. Some medicine needs no prescription. For headache, you can buy pain medicine. For runny nose, you can buy cold medicine. Let us practice a small talk. I am the pharmacist now. Hello, how can I help you?
Hello. I have a headache.
Okay. Do you have other symptoms?
Yes. I have a runny nose. I cough.
Okay. This medicine can help. Practice time for listeners. Say after me. I have a headache. Pause. I have a runny nose. Pause. I cough. Good work. You can also say how strong the pain is. You can say a little. You can say not bad. Anna, how bad is your headache?
It is not bad. It is a little pain.
Very good. Practice. Say, it is a little pain. Pause. Good. Medicine helps. Rest helps too. Mark, do you sleep well?
No, I do not sleep well.
Sleep is important. Drink water. Eat light food. Say, I drink water.
I drink water.
Say, I rest.
I rest.
Good. Now, let us talk about prevention. Prevention means stop sickness. Wash your hands. Wash your hands often.
I wash my hands.
Good. Wear a mask when sick.
I wear a mask.
Good. Do not touch your face. Eat healthy food. Sleep well. Practice time. Say, I wash my hands. Pause. Say, I sleep well. Pause. Great. Let us review symptoms. Headache.
Headache.
Runny nose.
Runny nose.
Cough.
Cough.
Sore throat.
Sore throat.
Very good. Let us do one full practice. Hello, how are you?
Hello, I feel sick.
What is the problem?
I have a headache. I have a runny nose. I cough.
Okay, you can take this medicine. Excellent, Mark. Today, we learned simple health English. We learned how to say symptoms: headache, runny nose, cough, sore throat. We learned how to buy medicine. We learned how to prevent sickness. Thank you for listening. Thank you for learning with Liberty Lines Art English Studio.
Thank you, Anna. Thank you, everyone.
See you next time. Bye-bye.